Hello and welcome to my video. My name is Carrie and I am showing you this video, which is the former site of the Kmart store on 7 Mile and Farmington Roads in Livonia. I wanted to do this video to show that what's recently been happening. They used to have this Kmart store that was built here a long time ago and throughout the 70s, 80s, and throughout the 1990s. It was closed down in 2017 permanently from the information what I know. Um, I don't know exactly when it was built, but I'm sure a lot of the former Livonia residents and some who have probably moved out of the neighborhood remember going to this Kmart store during the holidays and throughout the year. They used to have a Kmart cafe in the back of the store where you could get a nice meal and sit down in the Kmart cafe while you're also out and about shopping. They also had a layaway department in the back. They also had, from what I remember, was a photography studio that if you wanted to get photography, your own photos done at the time, you'd just schedule an appointment. And I remember getting my photos done when I was very little, probably maybe 4 or 5 years old at the time. And it now is to the point that they are now going to be building a Meijer, a smaller version Meijer store. It's not going to be like extremely big one. It's, I think, expected around 74,000 square feet of space. And then further to the west of this store, they're planning on building a smaller residential type homes, maybe townhomes or something like that. Um, I hope you enjoy watching the video, and if you have any memories or of being at this Kmart when you were little, or as an adult, you'd go shopping there during the holidays and you'd have time spent there, friends and family. um, but do please like the video, subscribe, and hope you enjoy. Leave comments at the end. Thank you very much for watching.